Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a chart and trade breakdown on the signals. Today is Wednesday. You know obviously how I feel about Wednesdays. I come to the market every Wednesday, not expecting much. There are Wednesdays that the market is just completely trash, but then there's days throughout the week, that the market is phenomenal, and including Wednesday. So today was a really, really good Wednesday. We crushed it yesterday with NAS100 signals alerts, and we crushed it again today. US 30 was being basically completely bipolar. It squeezed when the market opened, but however, it did come back. But the breadwinner, the trade that I got in very first, was NAS100. Absolutely, absolutely crushed it. Let's take a look at the signal, the alert I sent out to the group, which you guys see here on the private on the left hand side here is a private VIP Telegram group. You will see that the signal, I told everyone selling NAS100 at 1601637, which is exactly what matches right there. 16016.37. I sold two lots, made $12,000 in profit. I could have made a lot more profit if I held onto this longer. I stopped out. Nobody goes broke taking profits, but you guys can see the transparency, right? I sent the alert at 8:22 a.m. So this is what really separates, my signals, education, transparency from other people, is because I'm actually showing you inside of this Telegram group, right? So before people even sign up, and they might not be sure, like if for those that decide, hey, I want to join this group, I want to see the signals. Well, I'm fucking showing you everything here on YouTube before people could even sign up. So I'm obviously showing people, okay, he's sending the signal alert, and then he includes a chart, and then he includes the take profits and the stop loss, right? And basically just a little telling people, do not risk, do not over risk, 1 to 3% max per trade. That could vary. You can fucking risk like 1%. It's really up to the person. Unfortunately, I have to put that out there for people so they have some sort of idea. You could do more, you could do less. It's entirely up to you. Nonetheless, I put the sell signal out there with the chart with take profits, right? So obviously with NAS 100, this one here, guys, pre-market, it had made a big monster move to the upside. Big squeeze, right? No fucking way am I going to buy this thing. There's no way I'm going to buy it. There's no way I'm going to alert this as a buy, right? So I'm watching this as a sell standpoint, right? So I told everyone sell in 16016.37, followed by this arrow, which basically shows them and tells them, okay, I want to see this one, right? I want to see this one completely sell off when the market opens. Now, let's see exactly what happened with this one, right? Now, once I put the sell signal out there, I like to update my chart with my take profit lines. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, right? And as the trade goes in the direction, I update the Telegram saying, all right, guys, we have hit take profit 1. And then obviously I'm continuing to watch the trade. Okay, guys, we have hit take profit 2. And then I continue to watch the trade. Okay, guys, we have officially hit take profit 3. Nonetheless, right? So on my website, I put down I have an 85% win rate. I firmly in my heart feel and believe that because a lot of times these trades, once they hit my entry signal alert, they automatically hit take profit 1. So at the end of the day, that's automatically a fucking win, right? The minute the trade hits my order and goes in the direction, and even if it just hits take profit 1, it's automatically a win. Because nonetheless, you could either get out of that trade for break even or some sort of small profit. And like I said at the end of every single YouTube video, nobody goes broke taking profits. So obviously NAS100 hit. It absolutely hit the fucking take profit 3 right away. But then it ended up dropping even more. And then, I mean, she sold off hardcore today to the point where I would have been up even more, over $20,000 in profit. But that's okay. Because like I said, nobody goes broke taking profits. That's all it takes. That's all it takes is just one trade, one setup, one signal, one alert, day in and out. And like I tell people, if you come every single day, you make $200 a day, that's $50,000 a year. That is life-changing money, all from your cell phone, all from doing this right from my Telegram group, right? $200 a day. That's massive. That's huge. But even if you only make, say, $200 a month, $200 extra a month is good play, fun money for like dates, toys, games, movies, whatever. But nonetheless, crushing it day in, day out with the Telegram group. Look at the bigger chart, bigger time frame here. We obviously had, like I said, guys, look at this on the bigger chart, bigger time frame. I use TradingView for my charting, but then obviously I do all my execution on my MetaTrader 4 platform. So big squeeze up, clear as day, watch this from a sell standpoint. No way I'm going to fucking chase this one. US30 was a little bit different. This one was more of a bitch today. This one was more of kind of like a 50-50. It was like, okay, it's, it's kind of in this little channel. It could either squeeze up or it could drop down. I obviously was watching this because it was Wednesday and US30 was, excuse me, NAS100 was basically setting up from a good sell standpoint. I was basically watching US30 basically follow with the same thing with this one. But the market opened, she fucking squeezed up, and then look at that massive wick. It instantly, once it squeezed up, it instantly pulled back. So for anybody that did buy it, if they didn't close and secure the bag, like they're automatically down, right? They're already having like they're already dealing with like the drawback. So she was basically stuck here. She was basically stuck here before she finally did sell off. So it took a while for the momentum to happen, but then finally US30 did completely sell off. So nonetheless, US30 was not good. Today is Wednesday. US30 was not good yesterday. Uh, it was not good yesterday, and lately, right now, NAS100 has been picked up. So I tell people all the time, I juggle between the two. I'll watch US30 for a while and trade that for a while, and then all of a sudden she doesn't start. She starts doing kind of sloppy, and then I'll switch to like NAS100. NAS100 will be doing good for a while, and then she starts to get kind of sloppy, and I switch back to US30. So nonetheless, awesome day today. Crushed it. I crushed it. Members crushed it. We're all making money. Slow and steady wins the race. Hopefully, you guys like this video. Hopefully, it helps and educates you guys. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys are interested in joining the VIP Telegram group, it is going to be the very first link below this YouTube video. Thank you for all the love, support. I'll see all you do to the next one. Remember, guys, nobody goes broke taking profits. Cheers.